So hello everyone, in this video we'll be practically working with switch case statement. So let's understand that. So let's say I have this previous example which we were learning about in the PPT. So let's say I have this day and I want a day object and I want to get, you can see a lot of methods are there we can get, but we'll not be working on this. We'll be understanding that in the future video. But you can see we have this get day method that we can use, which returns from 0 to 6. 0 stands for Sunday and 6 stands for Saturday. So now I can console log this first. So I can actually show you that. You can see. You can see we have day 0. Now what I want is this day 0 doesn't indicate any day name. So I'll be creating one variable called day name. And inside that I'll be initially specifying, let's say Sunday. So that will be initial, or I can leave this out and make an empty string. Now what I want is I want to check every number here. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, every number here, and I want to assign that number according to the day. Like if it is 0, I'll be changing the value of this var or variable day name to that current word or that current day. So if it is 0, then it is Sunday. If it is 1, then I'll be assigning Monday to this variable. Similarly, we'll be assigning that. So let's do this. So for that, if I do this all with an if statement or if else if statement, so it will be like this. If day 0, then you want to change the day name to Sunday. And then we can, if it is not day 0, I can change that to day name 1. If it is 1, then I can do this for Monday. Similarly, I can copy paste the same thing multiple times, and this one will be 2 and this one will be Tuesday, this one will be 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, and 6, which will be for Saturday. And at last we can leave this out as else, and this isn't required because 0 to 6 will be the result only, we are sure. That's why we'll leave this out, and only else if, till else if I can leave this. And if I save it and if I console log, oh, what did I do? So it was day, not the 0. Now I can log day name. You can see it is returning 4 to us, and the day name is this one, the day name variable, this one. And it is not day name, it is day. So I checked it's wrong. Yeah, I have to check the day, not the day name. Yeah, now it's fine. Let's see it. You can see today's Thursday, that's why it is returning as Thursday. And why is that? because the day is fourth at the fourth index. That's why it is returning this line of code and it is changing the value of day name variable. So you can see we can do this way as well. But sometimes this kind of approach makes us very like repetitive in code. And also we have to always repeat this condition that day equals to this or otherwise. And also it becomes very long. So we can change that to switch case statement. And we'll be doing the same thing with this switch case statement. And I'll be switch in this switch bracket, we have to specify the variable that we are checking the case against. So we can specify day, and in the case 0, so I have to specify the value here after this case keyword. I have to specify the value 0 or any value that you want to check or that you want actually to check with. So it is basically like this, it will be treated like this. So you have to specify that. Here I can just change day name to, let's say, Sunday. Similarly, after this line, I can add a break, because without the break, it will also go to the next cases as well. So we have to specify the break here, and I can make it like this. I can tap. Let's say we have this. So it is more organized than the previous one. That's why we are doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say for now I'll be using till 4. Similarly, you can add 5, case 6, and so on. So it can be Monday, Wednesday, let's add 2 more. I can make it here, fifth one, and it is Friday. And I can make it like this as well. Sixth one, and it is Saturday. So now it is completed. We'll not be adding any default case because that doesn't exist in this case, because it will only return 0 to 6 numbers. It will not return any other numbers. So we have covered all the cases. So don't worry about the other cases which will be there. So now you can see in the console, let's see that. So still it is the same result because we have done this with this switch case statement. So it is a little bit organized in way. So that's why we do like this. So this is the way, and you can do this, and you can do this for multiple cases as well. For example, if you want to specify any greeting, let's say you want to specify greeting. Let me just add a variable greeting. Let's add it here. Let's add any empty string, or we can directly greet the people without it storing anything in a variable. So I can also create one more switch statement here. So I can use switch again. Basically I can use the same one. Okay, let's do create with scratch. Now in here I can check case 0. If the case is 0, I can also specify multiple casing here. So I can specify case 0 or case 6. If the case 0 is there or case 6 is there, then we can specify anything. Let's say we can specify console log happy weekend, or we can specify anything we want. So this way we can actually write the multiple cases. Otherwise we can specify a default case. let's say good luck. So this will be the default case. If it is 0 or 6, then we have happy weekend. Otherwise, it will be good luck. Now I can see the console now. You can see it is saying us good luck. I can also add case for this one. Let's say somebody has, I know the fourth one is not the weekend, but still for demo purpose, I will be doing this. Yeah, you can also add break here. So now you can see happy weekend is there. So this is the case. You can specify multiple cases as well like this. For multiple values, it will give the same uh, code, this one. So same line of code will be executed for multiple values, or any of the value matches, then it will give you this result. So this way you can add switch case statement. I hope you got something about this when we did practically. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.